Hello guys, in this video I am going to show how we can prepare a study area map in GIS. For that we must have save file of that area. Like I have kept here in one folder. Then open your ArcGIS, then add that data. Here I am going to make map of district. This is save file, boundary map of Nepal. Then after we need to prepare map of district, so add district also. Then open the attribute. For example, we need to prepare map of Kathmandu. Select here, then after right click, data, export data, then go here, GIS का make folder, save file, okay, yes, okay, this is fine. Now we don't require this. Then after go here in layout view, okay. If we want to change orientation, then go here, file, page and print setup, landscape, okay. Okay, this is fine. Then after go here in insert data frame. We are adding the data frame. This is one frame and this is another frame. Okay, we need to keep here this, copy and paste here. This also copy and paste here. Now we don't require here in zoom it. Okay, let's skip. Okay, then in this frame make it short, then after here click here full extent. Okay, this is fine. We don't require this, we can remove. Okay, now if you want to change the color, click here, then go here in fill, boundary color, we can increase the width. Okay, then in this data frame also we can change the color. For example, let's keep here green, this also green. Okay, this is fine. Now go here, north arrow, select any one, then again insert scale bar, select any one, then go to property, in the label kilometer, apply, okay, okay. Then after we need to insert legend. If we will select this and then we will click insert, then only the legend of Kathmandu will come. So but we require legend of both Nepal boundary and Kathmandu, so that is in this frame. Okay, then so we have to click here and then go to insert and legend. It came, right? If we need to change the rename, then go here, Kathmandu, property, then here we can write Kathmandu, then apply. Okay. Okay, this is fine. Okay, no, we need to just remove this boundary. Then what we have to do, we can go here in property, in the frame. Now we can select the border, what kind of border we want, background, color. For example, color, we don't want color. Okay, now it will appear like this. This dash also we can remove from going to property. Go to none, apply. Okay, background, none. Okay, this is fine. Then after, we need to assign the coordinate here in the axis. So select this frame and then after go right click property. Then we have to go to here grid. Let's add new grid. Okay, this is fine. Go to next. Assign the degree, minute and second. What kind of appearance we want, label, tick mark and label. Let's only do the label. We don't want minor division. Next, finish, apply. Okay, so it came here, but you can see here there is large divisions, so we have to adjust it. So I can go here and right click property, then again to go to property, in interval. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. In the y-axis also we have to put something, like let's put 30. No, 30 will be large. Let's take 5, and here also take 5, and then 30. Okay, then apply. Let's see, now it's look fine. Then I can go to property. This is fine. Now we can change this also, and go to line, label. Okay, we want to increase the size. Let's take 10. Color is also fine. Label orientation, this is most important. Vertical label, top, left, right. Vertical label, let's take the right, left and right. If we click here, then this will be in the vertical position. Okay, this is fine. Let's apply. Okay, apply. Okay, is it fine now? Yes, it is fine. Or we can increase the size again. Okay, now another thing what we can add here is go to insert text. The text appear here. It is a very small. Select it, right click property, what you want to hear. Size, we can increase the size here. For example, take 2. Let's check. Or we can take here 3. Okay, keep it here in the center. I think now this map is completed. After this, go to file, then export the map. Where you want to save this file, then we can increase the resolution also from here. Then after save, it is saved now. Okay, this is fine. Thank you.